Good morning and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Tuesday the 4th of January. It's the first day of trading for the UK for 2011 and we're seeing a very good day indeed. FTSE 100 up 2%, about 130 points a short while ago, around the 60-35 level and pushing into new territory for the economic recovery of the post-recession market. Now, strong economic data, strong manufacturing data from Europe and the US yesterday, pushing markets upwards, and also strong commodity prices, strong oil continuing to lift heavyweight stocks and heavyweight sectors. In the UK today, we've seen a PMI figure also coming out slightly better than expected at 58.2, better than last month and also better than analysts' expectations. Now, the main headline for equities is all about BP. The Daily Mail reporting today that BP was being considered for a bid by Royal Dutch Shell during the onset of the Gulf of Mexico oil spill crisis, reassuring to investors who are seeing BP up 5% today, as it kind of makes the point that BP was still there to be taken, and Shell considering to make a purchase despite the problems. In the end, the Mail reporting that Shell decided against it due to the worries over how big the downside from the spill would be, but it does prompt rumours that there may be another bid in the future from perhaps Shell or someone else. Now, other than that, as I said, heavyweight stocks performing well, with oil and miners, oil and metals where they are, making mining stocks and other resource stocks very strong. We're seeing Fresnillo near the top of the board, up 5.7%, as silver continues to trade near all-time highs. Banking stocks also weighing in as Eurozone debt fears subside, kind of stay out of the news. We're seeing RBS, the best of those, up 4.7% today. Pretty much all blue across the board, only seeing around half a dozen stocks in the red, all for the blue chips, so a very strong start to the new year indeed. Now, one stock we like to keep an eye on here as a retail favourite is Desire Petroleum, and they've had another terrible day, reporting their latest well in the Falklands is completely dry. They've dropped 25% in trading today, and it really does add to the drama down there in the Falkland oil sector. Now, looking at the US markets, they had a very strong day yesterday, opening up after the holidays. We saw that strong manufacturing data there, and also helped by the news that Facebook has been valued at around $50 billion, as Goldman Sachs and a Russian investor both pumping money into the social networking giant, and also prompting rumours that a listing will perhaps happen in the coming months. We also saw Bank of America up 6% after they settled a suit with Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae over some US mortgage impairments. The $3 billion charge for Bank of America much lower than expected, and hence we saw a nice bounce for them yesterday. Now, today we're seeing futures markets slightly stronger, just a touch up around 10 points on the Dow, 116.80, and the S&P up around 1 at 12.73. We're not seeing a huge amount of data in the US today, but one thing to keep an eye on will be the Fed minutes for the last month. They are out at 7 PM UK time.